What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when the price action of NIO hit the range of support at $20.12, and I've told you that because of this price action, as you can see, we can see the hit of the range of resistance at $22.94, and my main assumption was that because of this movement, because of this price action, we should break this range of support and at least we should touch the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $19.48. And as you can see, if I make this tool a bit longer, we touched this range to the tick. We broke this range of support of $20.12 and we broke it with the fourth attempt. And as you can see, we touched it 3 times. And right now we bounce back to the upside. And on my previous video, I've told you that this is the first range of accumulation where you can add to your position if you are a long-term holder. And from this entry point, NIO went higher for about 3.84%. Definitely it is close to nothing, but in my opinion it is just the beginning of the price action, and we have decent chances to hit even lower price targets because this price action is still in play. And because of this you can accumulate a bit lower, and I will show you the details of the price action in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. We are on investorplace.com, and this article was published 1 day ago, and it says what's going on with NIO stock today, and 3 bullet points. Shares of NIO are rising today on news that the Chinese government is incentivizing the sale of electric vehicles. This incentive could further boost EV sales for NIO stock as it ramps up production following COVID-19 lockdowns. Electric vehicle sales in China remain robust despite a broad economic slowdown in the country. And let me quote you some details. According to the South China Morning Post article, China's Ministry of Commerce is pushing for more financial incentives to increase electric vehicle sales. The incentives apply to fully electric, plug-in hybrid and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. China's state-owned banks and commercial lenders have been told to lower vehicle loan rates to spur adoption of EVs. China's government is prioritizing the sale of electric vehicles. Studies show it is one of the few economic sectors that is holding up well amid a broad economic downturn in the country. Gross domestic product growth in China has softened in recent months, and the nation's housing market is under pressure. China's government is also considering extending tax exemption on electric vehicle purchases to further incentivize people to buy them. EV buyers in the country have been exempt from a 10% purchase tax since 2014. Beijing had planned to eliminate the incentive at the end of this year. An extension of the tax exemption would also benefit NIO and help to lift its domestic sales in China. And definitely it is a very good not only short-term catalyst but also a long-term catalyst, because Chinese Communist Party have quite big plans that might drive for the entire industry, not only a NIO manufacturer, but the entire industry to hit much higher targets. And let me show you another news. We are on cnvpost.com, and this article was published on July 13th. And it says, NIO Li Auto make Fortune China 500 list for the first time. And let me quote you this. On July the 12th, the 2022 Fortune China 500 list was released, recognizing the performance and achievements of the world's largest publicly traded Chinese companies over the past year. The top 3 companies on the list this year are Sinopec Group, China National Petroleum and China State Construction Engineering, which are all state-owned companies. Two private companies, JD.com and Alibaba, both improved their rankings, with JD.com moving from 11th to 7th place last year, and Alibaba moving from 14th place last year to 11th place. In the new energy vehicle industry, NIO and Li Auto are both entering the list for the first time, ranking 344th and 427th respectively. And definitely this inclusion in the Fortune China 500 list gives even more credibility to NIO in particular. On top of this news, let me show you another article. It was published on July 17th, also on cnevpost.com, and it says, NIO's global expansion, demands of under the radar owners underscore urgency. And let me quote you this. NIO wanted to make sure it could provide good experience for its users before deciding to enter a new overseas market. But some users might not be able to wait any longer. And the main idea of this article is that a lot of people all over the world want to buy NIO vehicles, but in some cases they cannot update, for example, their software in order to use the interface in English, not in Chinese language. And definitely it might be concerning part for some of new users, but all in all, if NIO will change their policy and if NIO allows to update their software for the cars that were sold in different countries, definitely it will improve their marketing position, because these people are the real people who might drive the upcoming official sales of NIO in certain countries. Definitely it is early adopters of this product, and definitely early adopters are the most important people who can promote absolutely for free these products. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I have to say that I still stand on my position that we have to land a bit lower, and the next range of support that we might have a bounce of is 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of around $18, and it is the triple confluence level. As you can see, it is a 0.5 as already mentioned. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because we completed all 5-wave structure, as you can see right here. And this is the range where algo trades started to enter their long position. And if this asset hit this range of support of about $18, the price target for this trade might be at this point, at negative 0.236 at the price point of $27.27. And if it happens from this range of support, people who will enter their position right here might achieve about 50% of potential profits in a medium-term perspective. And definitely this setup is very lucrative, because on the long side of the trades there will be a lot of algo traders who will enter their position right here. That's why, in my opinion, we have to wait. We have to wait until this level will be hit by the price. But nothing is set in stone, and that's why 0.382, the level that I mentioned on my previous video, is also an accumulation point. And from this range, if we will have a bounce to the upside, the price target will be particularly the same, and the upside potential might be up to 39%. Definitely very good potential profits in a medium-term perspective. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.